Hey guys, hi, my name is Ibika Windy and welcome to my studio. So today we're going to be talking about how to wrap your phone using a skin from Illusion Decals. So now Illusion Decals offers pre-cut skins, and you can buy it directly from them on WhatsApp or Instagram. And this is how they come. So this is a S9 Plus, Samsung S9 Plus, and this is how the skin came. So it's already pre-cut with all the holes that needs to be opened already cut from Illusion Decals. And I bought it and it came exactly this way. So I'm going to show you exactly how to apply this skin on this phone. Basic steps: clean your phone is the first step. Next step is to place it and apply. So this is my phone. So the first thing is clean it. So I'm going to use this to clean up the phone. So it looks really neat. Yeah. So this is what we have. So now place your phone on the ground. Then we're gonna go to the peel. So peeling the skin, which is the next step. So you see, I just give like a small portion of the skin is left open. So I place it on the phone, taking note of the holes, like the open part, which is the camera and the flash, to ensure that it balances. Okay. Then I check under to be sure it laps. So I open under to be sure it laps. So it looks like it laps well, pretty much. So what do? I from it, you when you are spreading, you spread from inside out, inside out, inside out, inside out, inside out. So you guys, quite easy. Yeah. Yeah. So what is left is the edges. So you just apply your hands through the edges. Yeah. We're done. So I've applied the skin on my phone and it looks totally amazing. Check it out. So you guys, DM Illusion Decals Gadget Skins order and have fun placing your skin on your phone. Bye.